It's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. New Car Test Drive mentions the lockable floor console is large enough to hold a picnic lunch for a family of 4. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet. What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.